Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making abura zomen, stir-fried somen noodles. It is originally from the southern Amami Islands of Kagoshima, Kyushu. The name means oil somen noodles, but it's not greasy at all. It's packed with umami flavor from dried anchovy and very tasty. These are the ingredients. Today we are using sliced pork, but you can use other kinds of proteins and vegetables you like. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, boil water in a pot and cook dried somen noodles according to the package. And set aside. Cut nira, or Chinese chives or garlic chives, into 2 inches long pieces. Cut carrot into matchsticks. And slice green onions diagonally and thinly. Mince fresh garlic. And cut sliced pork into bite-sized pieces. Heat a frying pan with sesame oil and dried baby anchovies for a minute. Dried anchovies are generally used for making dashi stock and give a deep umami flavor to the dish. Add minced garlic for more flavor and sliced pork, and cook until the meat changes the color. Add all of the vegetables and stir fry for a couple of minutes. Again, you can use any vegetables you like, such as cabbage or bell pepper. Add water and seasonings, soy sauce, sake, salt, and white pepper, and cook for another couple of minutes. Add cooked somen noodles and mix with meat and vegetables. You can add more salt and pepper to taste if you like. This was a new type of noodle dish for us, but we really enjoyed it. It's simple but so flavorful. If you are curious about how Japanese island people eat, or you just like noodle dishes like we do, try this one.
美味しい。美味しいね。